Hey Glam fam, welcome back to the channel. I've been wanting to do this project in forever. So we're gonna be using these lights right here that I picked up at Ross. We're going to be using white foam board as our background. We're gonna be using these mirrors from Dollar Tree. Party fringe or door curtain. I'm also going to be using those tiny mirrors. I think I got those in Amazon. I'm going to be using my E6000, my Scotch mounting tape to affix the finished product to the wall, the hot glue gun, and I am going to also be using this vinyl. You could use tape if you like, but I'm just gonna wrap the corners of the board with the vinyl. So off camera, I did cut my foam board to the size that I wanted. And so I'm just gonna wrap the outer portion of the board with this vinyl. You can choose to use tape, but I wanna say the tape was a little bit pricey. So I was like, okay, I have these vinyls, let me just use what I have so that way I do not have to go out and buy anything. All right folks, so now that it's all done, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the E6000 as well as the hot glue gun. The E6000 will take a longer time to dry, so I'm going to be using the hot glue gun so that it can stick to my foam board quickly. And that's what we're going to be doing. I kind of lay them out in the position that I want them. One of these did not come out as straight as I would have wanted, but a man on a riding horse could barely see it. So we're gonna just affix these to the board, and then I will do the second one off camera. All right guys, so now that it's done, I'm gonna leave it to dry for a few minutes. Well, I did leave it to dry for about 2 hours before I went back because I was cooking while I was doing this. All right, so next I am going to be using the hot glue gun to glue the fringe to this empty picture frame. Bear with me here, we are almost done. The next thing we're going to be doing is gluing these 1 inch, I think it's 1 by 1 inch mirrors just to the front portion of the picture frame. And guys, listen, they fit perfectly. When I say perfectly, I mean perfectly, like length and width and even the number that I needed to fit the whole frame. It was just perfection. So with that, I could tell that this is gonna come out really pretty. Okay, so this is what they look like when they are done. I will be trimming. I will be doing some trimming because they are too long, plus they are uneven. So we will do a little snipping. Next, we're going to be adding the lights. This light already came with batteries in here, so all I'm going to be doing is open and readjust one of the batteries so that it can start working. The lights came with adhesive on the back, so all we're going to do is peel and stick. Next, I'm going to be adding my Scotch double-sided tape to the back side, and then I'll be climbing on this bed to figure out where to place them. All right, next we're going to be placing the chandelier above the mirrored piece. I also used the double-sided tape to affix this to the wall. And then I'm going to be doing some trimming because I think they might be a little bit too long and I need them to be a little bit shorter. All right, now we're going to be doing a little bit of trimming, and then we should be all set. All right, guys, we are all done. We're all done except for lights. Let's try the lights. So the remote does work. It does work. So while we were trying out the lights, I looked at the chandelier. I did that chandelier for her long before we started YouTube. And I was looking at that chandelier and I thought, let me put the extra light that we got in here and see if it would actually be awesome. And I think it turned out amazing. Funny enough, like this remote is for that lamp in the corner, and it actually changes all the other lights as well. Wait, wait. Oh, I'm so excited. See, so now we've got ourselves two. Okay, let me know your thoughts. Leave us a comment down below. I'm super excited. Alright folks, that is it. Let me know your thoughts. I'm excited. I'm super excited. Let's get her reaction and see. Cover your face.
Okay.
Is it covered?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Alright, now take your mask off. And look.
I love it.
You like it?
Did you glue this on here?
Do you like it?
Yeah. I love it.
And guess what? It comes with a remote.
Look at this one. Oh, I have to point it to it. Yay! So, point.
All right, what do you say? Let's end the video.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. I love it. Thank you, Mommy, so much.
Mwah.